What up, what up, what up? Welcome to another episode of B-Tech Productions. Today's video is going to be about vertical video, how to make a vertical video in Final Cut Pro, how we can repurpose this YouTube video magic to either TikTok or Instagram as well. Okay, but first we got to roll that intro. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to share our screen. All right, so here we have a clip and we're going to copy this clip. Okay, then we're going to go file, new, and then we could do new project, and then we could title this vertical clip. All right, so this is the thing that we want to make sure of right here where it says video. We want to change it to vertical. And as you can see, we can do vertical or square. All right. Then we're gonna zoom in. If this ever happens, just go over here and then zoom in. All right. Now see, as you see, we got a lot of black space at the top, black space at the bottom. Now, what we could do, press this transform tool, and then we can press. We can stretch it out if we want to, but we don't have to do that. So one thing that we could do is try to get it to kind of like get me to the middle like that. All right, and then actually even before that, what we're gonna do, we'll copy this and then we'll press option and then we'll drag it. Okay, so for this one, let's copy this. All right, so cool. So the thing that we could do here, we can even bring down this volume. All right, cool. And then we press done, and then on this last one, on the bottom one, we could type in blur, or we see blur right there. So we can add a Gaussian blur. And now we see that I'm in the background and it's moving at the same time. All right, and then as we move through the clip, we can see that I'm talking and I'm talking at the same time. So then if we want to change this blur, we could bring down the amount or we could bring up the amount. So whichever one you want to do. So that's how you repurpose content from YouTube to TikTok or Instagram for vertical clips. Okay, if you found this review helpful, please let me know in the comments, and also we shall see you in the next video.